Welcome to Digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about popular embroidery niche ideas for beginners. Embroidery is a timeless craft that has gained immense popularity in recent years, thanks to its versatility and ability to blend tradition with modern creativity. For beginners, choosing a specific niche is crucial to developing a unique style and building a portfolio that resonates with a target audience. This guide explores the most popular embroidery niches for beginners, helping you start your journey with confidence and purpose. 1. Floral embroidery. Floral patterns are a classic and enduring choice in embroidery. Beginners can experiment with simple stitches like satin, stem, and lazy daisy to create beautiful flowers. The appeal of floral embroidery lies in its universality. It can adorn clothing, home decor items, and even personal accessories like bags and scarves. Starting with small floral motifs allows you to build your skill set while producing charming, marketable designs. 2. Personalized embroidery. Adding a personal touch to embroidery projects is a growing trend. Names, initials, or meaningful quotes stitched onto items like towels, napkins, or baby blankets are in high demand. Personalized embroidery not only connects emotionally with customers, but also allows beginners to practice precision and creativity. This niche is particularly lucrative for gifting occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. 3. Animal-themed embroidery. Animal motifs are a delightful way to capture the charm of nature in embroidery. From playful pets to exotic wildlife, this niche offers endless possibilities for creativity. Beginners can start with simple outlines or cartoon-style designs before moving on to intricate details. Animal embroidery is highly popular for children's clothing, pet accessories, and home decor items like cushions or wall hangings. 4. Modern abstract embroidery. For those who love contemporary aesthetics, abstract embroidery is an ideal niche. Bold colors, geometric patterns, and unconventional designs define this category. Beginners can experiment freely without the pressure of adhering to traditional forms, making it a great way to develop unique artistic expression. Abstract embroidery is perfect for statement pieces like wall art or fashion-forward clothing items. 5. Cultural and traditional designs. Embroidery rooted in cultural heritage is not only beautiful but also deeply meaningful. Each culture has distinct embroidery styles such as Indian pulkari, Mexican otomi, or Japanese sashiko. Beginners can draw inspiration from these traditions, adapting them into modern projects while paying homage to their origins. This niche offers rich storytelling opportunities and appeals to a wide audience interested in cultural artistry. 6. Minimalist embroidery. Simplicity is key in minimalist embroidery, where less is more. Clean lines, muted colors, and understated designs characterize this style. Beginners can start with small motifs like leaves, hearts, or abstract shapes to practice neat stitching and design balance. Minimalist embroidery works well for modern clothing, accessories, and decor items, catering to customers who prefer subtle elegance. 7. Home decor embroidery. The home decor market offers a variety of opportunities for embroidery enthusiasts. From decorative pillowcases and table runners to wall hangings and fabric art, this niche allows beginners to combine functionality with beauty. Simple motifs like borders, floral arrangements, or abstract patterns can transform everyday items into unique handcrafted treasures. Fashion embroidery. Embroidery is making a strong comeback in the fashion world. Beginners can explore embellishing denim jackets, jeans, t-shirts, or tote bags with intricate or playful designs. This niche encourages experimentation with textures, threads, and embellishments like beads or sequins. Fashion embroidery appeals to both individuals looking for bespoke clothing and small businesses seeking customized branding. 9. Seasonal and holiday themes. Seasonal embroidery is a fun and profitable niche, especially during holidays. From festive Christmas ornaments to spooky Halloween designs, this category is full of possibilities. Beginners can create small projects like tree decorations, themed napkins, or holiday-themed patches to build skills while catering to the demand for seasonal products. 10. Inspirational and motivational embroidery. Words carry power, and stitching them into fabric adds a unique charm. Inspirational quotes or motivational phrases in embroidery designs are immensely popular. Beginners can play with typography, colors, and embellishments to create uplifting pieces that resonate with people. These designs are ideal for wall art, tote bags, or framed gifts. Conclusion: embroidery offers a vast world of creativity and expression, and finding the right niche is key to standing out in this art form. Whether you choose timeless floral patterns, culturally inspired motifs, or modern abstract designs, each niche has something unique to offer. For beginners, the journey is about experimentation, learning, and discovering a style that truly speaks to your artistic spirit. Explore these niches to begin your embroidery adventure and carve a space in this vibrant and rewarding craft. If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizings.com is your perfect partner for precision and excellence. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at Digitizings.com or visit the website Digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.